is India's biggest murder mystery. An RTI activist shot dead in broad daylight in 2011. Shehla Masood's murder sent shockwaves across the nation, and in 2012, Bhopal-based Zahida Parvez and two other accomplices were arrested in the case. Now, in a sensational twist to the high-profile murder case, sources reveal that there was a cover-up attempt within the CBI. So who is the powerful person being shielded? Here's an exclusive report.
India's most high-profile murder case takes a sensational twist with this Times Now exclusive news break. In a highly controversial development, it has emerged that a top CBI officer, initially in charge of the probe, allegedly destroyed evidence. Times Now has accessed startling information on how the top officer destroyed evidence. The allegations raising questions over the involvement of someone powerful and influential.
It's right here at the CBI court in Indore that the trial in one of India's most high-profile murder cases is going on. But despite the limelight, there appears to be little progress. Of the 44-odd witnesses questioned so far, 40 have turned hostile, and the CBI appears to be in little hurry to move on.
With a possible cover-up attempt from within the CBI, the investigating agency has launched a preliminary inquiry.
Now we are looking into it. We have initiated a PE and we are investigating it.
Is it for destruction of evidence, and will an RC be registered after this?
That I can't comment about.
CBI had claimed to have nabbed the prime accused, Zahida Parvez, in 2012. But now with this incredible twist, the case has reopened.
हमारे सामने जो केस है उसके बारे में हम सिर्फ इतना कह सकते हैं कि यदि वो स्टेटमेंट होता तो मोटिव प्रूफ होता तो केस की स्थिति आज कुछ दूसरी होती, लेकिन उस मोटिव के नहीं होने से केस बहुत ही वीक हो गया.
For 4 years, the case has dragged on, witnessing multiple twists and becoming nothing less than a jigsaw puzzle for the investigating agency.
The CBI might be India's premier investigating agency, but its strike rate is abysmal. Convictions are few and far between. And going by the Shehla Masood murder case, it's becoming clear how cases are investigated, how evidence is allegedly diluted, and why the accused managed to get away. In Bhopal, with cameraman Sachin Rawat, this is Neetu Jain for Times Now.